in the cockpit. Enjoy your ride
As
on
long as we got
Kentucky
our ride
Flyer.
open, it should be fine. As long as it within the first, like, 2 hours, then...
Thanks. You will. Alrighty, guys. We're here. We're here on Kentucky Flyer. We are suited up in our vintage warplane, ready to take flight. But we need permission from Louisville Airport first.
Clear. Have a nice ride.
Attention to the designated grid square. If you're a War Thunder player, you'll get it. Requesting permission to land. Wheels on the ground. We're safe. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Kentucky Flyer. Overall, it's actually a nice gravity group coaster. I actually remember it being a little more intense than how it was, but again, this is also the morning time, so things are running a little bit slower. I guess by the way that the wood looks, they did a little bit of track work on this ride over the off season. But yeah, it's for what it is. It's a really good ride. I of course love the theming as an aviation enthusiast. So yeah, you should definitely come check this ride out. It's really fun. It's also where the Green Lantern was, so that's more reason to check it out.
Riders must have 2 natural legs to the knee and 3 functioning limbs, or 2 functioning arms. Kentucky